I heard 9 o'clock. Wow. Oh, they're up there out there shooting out of the cage.
Oh, there's a good one there. Oh!
Ooh, I got it. Oh, that one went on the ground.
We're on the ground there.
See the stratosphere? That's downtown.
No, down there.
Yes, I saw them, baby. That's over near Summerlin and Red Rock.
Kind of looks like a fire in the mountain. Look. Through my camera.
Oh yeah,
Fire in the
it
mountain.
does, yeah.
Were you hearing the fire? The big, was that last year? The big fire?
I think it was a few years ago. I was in Costa Rica.
Yeah, 2 years ago. Yeah, there was. This stuff was pouring over the mountains.
That was last year.
Last year was it?
Because we seen it.
Yeah, coming
over
over
there all the time.
Just get it with us.
No.
All smoke like coming over.
See light.
Baby, I don't have any water. All I have is wine.
Pass the chips, please.
Okay, I'm going with the
Does
girls.
anyone have water?
Nobody. We go there.
No. I just have electrolytes.
Okay, let's go.
You didn't like? Where'd it go?
So what I did was that when it's lit, you put it in the ground. Just over green grass.
So mad later.
Shelby. Hi.
Oh, wow.
Oh! The shit freaks me.
Wow. Oh. Man.
Shelby. There you go. Good job. I gotcha. Well, this is pretty cute for a small little parkage thing, yeah?
Yeah, it really is. Now the same ball there, so no boop.
Yeah, I
No,
don't want
huh?
to be down there. Gotcha.
You see all these things around the valley, keep thinking, and I hear some noise coming back from you.
Janet. Potty patati.